Are you looking forward to improve signal service on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix it. Start by heading over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to cellular. In the space, move into network selection. If the settings is set to automatic, then simply toggle it off. From here, choose the network or the SIM card that you have been using. Once selected, it should fix the issue. If not, now the next thing you want to try doing is go back to your home page. Now slide down the screen and then click on airplane mode. Simply turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is tap and hold the assistive touch and then click on restart. It will restart the device. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed this issue, so you might be good to go. So if this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.